Hi there, it's Andrew from Webbers. I'm here to show you on a lovely day the 6 Stourscombe Walk, which is a new listing we've just taken on. As you'll see behind me, the property has a stone low maintenance exterior. So let's go and have a look at this fantastic 3-storey, 4-bedroom family home. What a lot of people are looking for now in these family homes is a really good open plan space. And this kitchen dining room really has an abundance of light, plenty of room for dining, and lots of work surfaces, integrated appliances and direct access out to the garden. So the garden behind me is lawned. You've also got space for a shed and also recreational space as well. And of course, room for outside dining when the weather is favourable. Down beneath is a single garage and off-road parking at the front as well.